That'll be good. We'll be all squared away. $126, 20280 OT today. All right. You heard that kid who had 6 of these. He's got so much baggage on there, he's never going to be able to get his license for quite a while. You've overcome it and you got a license. Now you don't have to come in here and see me anymore. This one isn't going to go on your driving record. It's a $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and a $50 state minimum. That's $200. Can you pay that by August 8th?
Yes, sir. I can pay it all today.
All right. Oh, that'll be good. We'll pay all today. All right, good. Are you missing work right now? Or you guys shut down for the 4th of July?
No, I'm shut down till next week as well.
Oh, that's good. All right, pay this fine, pay the old fine. You're clear, squared away. You got a valid license. I won't need to see anymore and you won't need to come in here. All right, courthouse will take you out there. And good luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Matthew Lackey. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
Your Honor.
Give me a minute here, sir. This is file number 25214ST. The charge is driving suspended first offense. They indicate you're going to plead to driving suspended first offense, and the prosecutor is recommending time served for the time you served when you got picked up for failing to appear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Driving suspended is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500, excuse me. Carries 2 points and it requires that your license be suspended.
Okay.
You've got issues out of state, Florida and some other places.
Yes, sir.
Let me see how much time you spent in jail here. You didn't show up for arraignment in February. You didn't show up in March. We reset it. You didn't show up again in March. Issued a warrant. You got arrested on June 26th.
It was released
Not
yesterday.
guilty and bonded on the 27th.
No, I bonded yesterday, sir.
Oh, yesterday?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so June 26th is 4 days in June and 2 days, be 6 days jail. Other than that, did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, I offered. It's hard to fight a driving when I was driving. So
Yes. did you post bond,
Yes, I did.
$300?
Yes, sir.
Of cash money or through a
Cash
bonding?
money, cash
All right,
money.
very good. All right, sir. You heard me go through the advice of rights. You understand you're giving all those up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this
No, sir.
or promise you anything?
No, sir.
Where were you going?
When I pulled over, I was coming back to the grocery store.
You live in Three Rivers now?
I stay with a girl up here. I live in Florida. I mean, Florida is my home. I've been there since 2001, but I've been staying up here for the last 6 to 8 months now.
All right.
Kind of
We got a Michigan State trooper named Matt Lackey. Every time
Yes,
you
sir.
get arrested, they
No, it's not who arrested me, no, but I've heard that before.
are 6 days credit, 6 days. $75 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and a $50 state minimum fee. You're gonna get some money back.
So it's good. Thank you, sir.
So you got suspended somewhere back in the past in Florida?
Yeah, it's from a DUI from 2014, and I had a 2-year interlock. They were giving out 1 year, but I thought I wanted to stay. I am still sober, but I want to stay sober, so I asked for a 2-year. My truck broke down, and the interlock with a broken truck, you can't have an interlock. So I
Yeah,
got
I've had
suspended.
people in my sobriety court that have lost the interlock because of that.
Yeah, so that's what it's.
Who do you
based on.
live with over in the trailer park?
I'd rather not say. Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah, I think you know her.
I probably do. All right, well, tell her to drive you around.
She is. She's out in the parking lot right now.
All right, tell her I said hello.
I will.
I will tell the magistrate to take you out and the clerks will give you some of your bond money back. All right, Mr. Schutzau did not drive. He was upfront about it. You're good to go,
All
sir.
right, thank you, sir.
Oh, I gotta finish the sentence, so come on back up. Hey, I don't know why they gave you such a good deal, but you got one, so $100 fine, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and a $50 state minimum fee. $225 due April or August 8th. All right. Good for you. Thank you to Deputy Kindig and Deputy Tyler for checking that out for me. You're good to go, sir.
Thank you.
Shayna, do I have any in custody people that I need to see while I've got Mr. Stickley here with me?
Are you doing jail rooms today?
I didn't think so. Luke is here, but there were several people that there was a fail to appear. I couldn't find him in our file. So I thought he maybe is a circuit court case. Let's look at the jail roster. Several people, like 4, got arrested for domestic.
Nope, there's nothing for you today.
All right,
All
thanks.
right, yep, no problem.
Nothing for me. So I don't know if they still got some pretrials going. Shayna, are they done with the pretrials? Let's see who we did on the pretrials. No, they haven't come back. Mr. Featherstone isn't back. Mr. Osborne isn't back. While we're waiting, let's talk about the people that didn't show up. Terry Wayne Frost of Elkhart, Indiana, failed to appear. He previously failed to appear. We rescheduled him twice and he didn't appear today. I don't have a phone number. to a bench warrant. Bond is $250 cash or surety, 48-hour hold. Judge Stutzman did a caution up in his court and told me to do the same. Remind everybody, if you get picked up now, you gotta wait all the weekend to get arraigned. So you might have to sit till Monday, so just before the 4th of July is not a good time to get picked up.
I'm behaving today.
Ricardo Emmanuel Hernandez. Failed to appear on driving without a valid license. He's been failed to appear, arrested. Judge Pattison set bond. Man, this thing is old. Judge Pattison set bond at $14,000 cash or surety. Oh.
There's one more Pelfrey, I'm getting ready to talk to him.
Well, let's see, is this guy in jail?
Yeah, he's back.
No, Ricardo Hernandez.
Oh, the other guy. So many names.
That was profile.
Miguel
So many names.
Hernandez Ruiz is here, but I don't know where Ricardo is. God, this is a 2022 ticket. Ordinance ticket for driving without a valid ops. See what the deal is with this. What kind of stuff do they have at that circus?
Jorge here actually is, he rides the Globe of Death, which is the giant steel cage that the motorcycles zip
I
around.
saw it in Las Vegas. I don't know how you train for that. I don't know how you do that without dying. Not to mention, there's so much exhaust in there.
Some of them are going to electric now, actually.
Well,
He still rides gas.
there were 4 guys in there, and then there are 5 guys in there
Yeah.
driving around that little globe, and I don't know how they don't.
Yeah, he and his wife do that. In our show, we had a sword swallower. We were with them in LA City a couple years ago, and the sword swallower worked for me. Got into the center of the cage, swallowed the sword while they had 4 guys.
What's the secret to that?
For which the
How they
motorcycle?
don't all crash into each other?
Well, it's centrifugal force. It sticks.
I
to
know,
the-
but you still have to only
It's
take
it's
one
time.
mistake and you click handlebars and
Yeah.
everybody goes off in a pile.
They rehearse a lot and they trust each other, and you live with the guys, they're family.
Wow, Ricardo Hernandez has been years in the making here. He posted a $1,000 bond. If I could ever get him here long enough, I got more than enough money to pay his fine. Gee whiz. He's got multiple days in jail. He's been arrested about 4 times. Let's call him up. Maybe he's on the phone. You don't hear a busy signal anymore. 7325, defendant failed to appear. Posted
Phones are
$1,000.
down, so that's why you're not having success. Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
Would you bring me my cell phone from my desk?
Sure.
I better not call him from my private phone. Apparently our phones are not working. That's not good. Terry Frost, we did. Jonathan Trahan,
More, sir.
reset 2 weeks.
This one, go.
Let me see here.
Take-
Yeah,
I
I
don't want
should.
to take anything in here.
All right, thanks. Is that the last one?
Yeah, and he's the one who's in custody.
Oh, all right. Thanks.
Yep, thanks.
Let's bring Mr. Pelfrey in if we would. And it called 2 weeks, called angry. Maybe we didn't pay our phone bill or something. All right, you can have these. Ricardo Hernandez, I'm still working on him. Now, except you just walked away with Pelfrey.
Did I?
Yes, because I think I stuck it in there. Thanks.
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing was an interesting blend of procedural housekeeping and a little unexpected humor sprinkled throughout. We started off with Judge Middleton efficiently resolving a backlog of old cases, fines, and license issues for several defendants. And what really stood out was how he balanced a nonsense approach with a surprisingly warm demeanor. In the matter of Matthew Lucky, you could tell the judge appreciated the man's willingness to finally clear up a suspended license dating all the way back to a 2014 DUI in Florida. Despite repeated failures to appear and some tangled issues with out-of-state suspensions, Lucky was polite, candid, and ultimately ready to take responsibility. Judge Middleton methodically explained the rights being waived, double-checked that no threats or promises were influencing the plea, and even paused to confirm where Lucky had been living, though the defendant clearly preferred not to name names. When it came to who was giving him a place to stay, it's moments like that where you see the judge's patience shine through. He didn't press for unnecessary details and simply moved on with good humor, even sending his regards to the person waiting out in the parking lot. You could feel a sense of relief as the fines were totaled and the time served was credited, leaving Lucky with a clear path forward and even some bond money coming back. Then came the sidebar about Ricardo Hernandez, a defendant with a truly epic record of failing to appear. So many missed hearings and warrants that the judge almost seemed incredulous the matter was still alive after years in limbo. This was the segment where the courtroom atmosphere shifted from routine to almost comedic, with the judge riffing about the Globe of Death circus act and sword swallowers while waiting on phone connections that predictably weren't working. In any other setting, it would have felt absurd, but here it just underscored how sometimes the court is stuck doing whatever it takes to track people down and tie off old cases. Even with all the delays and half-finished stories, Judge Middleton never lost his composure or his willingness to handle each file with thoroughness. The atmosphere stayed calm, and you could tell the deputies and clerks were used to this rhythm-shuffling paperwork, confirming bonds and trying to wrangle defendants who seemed to slip through the cracks over and over again. What I appreciated most is that the judge never resorted to cheap shots or lectures. He treated everyone, even the serial noshes, with a measured respect and clear expectations. All in all, this hearing was a reminder that while the wheels of justice sometimes grind slow and, with a little comedic flair, they do eventually get there. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,